It's been 1 year since Hurricane Helene, and houses just like this one right here are still sitting here unrepaired from flood damages in Georgia. We're not even talking about on the coast. Why is that? You see, these houses could have had the greatest flood insurance in the world, but there was this one thing they didn't think about that could have stopped them from getting the home repaired, getting back in their home, getting their family back to a normal life. What is that? That's increased cost of compliance. You see, during Hurricane Helene, a lot of houses just like these right here were damaged by more than 50%, which falls under substantially damaged. This means that if this house was built in 1980 and the flood map's changed since then, you've got to bring your house up to code. This means that a lot of these houses may have had to raise their house, fill in their basements. I mean, for example, near Peachtree Creek in Atlanta, Georgia, we had houses that are having to be raised before they can get permits to get repaired to meet the new building codes because they're older homes. So you want to think about this when you're purchasing your flood insurance, is that substantially damaged and that increased cost of compliance. Bringing your building back to code, because remember, the National Flood Insurance Program offers coverages up to $250,000 and increased compliance up to $30,000. But if you've maxed out your coverages, you don't have the increased cost of compliance. So you want to be careful about that. You want to talk with your adjuster. Now, what could you do to possibly stay below that substantially damaged? Make sure that you have an appraisal before damages were done, so that people can see what the market value was here and that the property's damages were less than that 50%. We had this happen with a client out in Missouri, that they were going to be stuck, but thankfully we were able to help them get that down to 48%, get their permits, get people back in their properties, and start making money as a real estate investor again. So you want to think about this when purchasing your flood insurance, that hidden danger of building codes. I hope everybody has a great day and stays safe.